English to Japanese. What is, equals.
は何ですか?
Welcome. Hey you, curious brain. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we master the magic question, what is, equals.
は何ですか?
Imagine a friendly robot sees a toaster, tilts its head, and politely beeps.
は何ですか?
Then makes perfect breakfast. Your mission today. You'll learn the form, hear it in action, and nail a quick quiz. Template. X plus.
は
Plus.
か
Plus.
です
Plus.
か
Example with, this equals.
これは何ですか?
Super polite, super clear. Mini dialogue. Museum. Picture this. You and a friendly guide in a quirky museum. You point at a curly bamboo tool and ask.
これは何ですか?
Guide. It's a T-whisk. Then adds, when in doubt, just ask.
は何ですか?
Quote. You spot a statue across the room.
それは何ですか?
Guide. That is Ch.19. Bonus for people.
あの人は誰ですか?
Speed drills. Ready to echo after me? Say each one out loud. This. What is this? 2.
これは何ですか?
That. What is that? 2.
それは何ですか?
Price check. How much is it? 2.
いくらですか?
Location. Where is it? 2.
どこですか?
Curious why. Why? 2.
なぜですか?
Culture tip. Be polite, be clear, be adorably curious. Use a gentle tone, a small smile, tilt your head, and open your palm toward the object as you ask.
は何ですか?
A quick, excuse me, helps.
すみません
Then ask. Also.
質問
Means, question, and.
です
Keeps things polite. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask, what is, in Japanese? A.
は何ですか?
Q2. Point at your phone and say, what is this? A.
これは何ですか?
Q3. True or false?
何はですか?
Is correct. A. False. Put.
は
After the topic, X plus.
は
Plus.
何ですか?
Curiosity challenge. Try this right after the episode. Ask 3 times around you.
これは何ですか? それは何ですか?
And 1 freestyle with the template.
は何ですか?
Bonus at a shop.
いくらですか?
Wrap up. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
は何ですか?
Whenever curiosity sparks. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Get more lessons, transcripts, and drills at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.